In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your QuickBooks Online Company ID. This process is straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in and make it as easy as possible. First, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks account. To start, open your internet browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. Now, this might seem very basic, but it's essential to begin at the correct starting point because QuickBooks is a web-based platform. If you're not already familiar with QuickBooks, it's an excellent resource for managing your business finances, allowing you to track expenses, send invoices, and handle payroll all in one place. So, getting comfortable navigating it is a crucial skill. Once you've reached the QuickBooks homepage, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see the Sign In button prominently displayed there. Go ahead and click on it. It's quite typical for web platforms to place their sign-in options in this area, which helps with quick and easy access. Clicking sign in will take you to the login page where you'll enter your credentials. Now it's time to input your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your QuickBooks account and the corresponding password in the fields provided. Ensure you're using the correct email and password to avoid any frustration. If by any chance you don't remember your login details, QuickBooks provides a recovery option to reset your password. Always double check your information before moving forward to save time. After successfully logging in, you are now in the QuickBooks environment, which is where all the magic happens. Now, let's navigate over to the settings menu. The settings menu is your hub for controlling aspects of your QuickBooks account. Typically, you can find it under a gear icon, which is consistent with many software applications. Once you're in the settings menu, you will need to locate the additional info section. Finding this section is crucial as it is where your company ID is stored. It's important to navigate these menus correctly, so take your time to ensure you're in the right place. Click on additional info to proceed. This action will direct you to a screen where your company ID is viewable. The company ID is a unique number assigned to your account and is something you'll need whenever you're required to provide your business information to other services or applications integrated with QuickBooks. Make sure to take note of this number. Here's a tip. It might be helpful to write down your company ID or save it in a secure digital note for future reference. Having it on hand will save you from having to repeat this process each time you need it. Once you have noted your company ID, you can go ahead and click OK. This final step will confirm your actions and bring you back to the previous screen. And that's it, you've successfully located your QuickBooks Online Company ID. This ID is essential for identifying your unique business account within QuickBooks. It's beneficial for various tasks, including ensuring that integrations with other platforms go smoothly and verifying your business account with QuickBooks support if needed. Remember to keep this number confidential and store it securely. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to find your QuickBooks Online Company ID. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials to enhance your QuickBooks experience. Keep on top of your business operations with ease, and remember, QuickBooks is here to make managing your finances intuitive and convenient. Have a great day and see you in the next video.